progressive cash drawings, mystery point multipliers, mystery gift days, extra cash for 4 of a kinds, bingo, bowling, football, and food specials. Looking for constant action? Look no further. Pahrump Nugget.
The Pahrump Nugget held their annual fireworks show on Saturday night. Festivities began at 4 p.m. with food eating contest, bounce houses, and lots of games. At 9:15, the fireworks show began. The parking lot was filled with onlookers who parked in their vehicles, set up chairs, and watched the 22-minute show with a spectacular finale. This is Darby O'Donnell for News 46.